Here's how to make all your photos private on Facebook. Now, if you're on Facebook and you wanted to make sure everything is private so that if anyone visits your Facebook profile, they won't be able to see any of those photos, I'll show you how to do it. So let's hop into Facebook here and tap on the menu button at the bottom right. Now let's tap on that gear icon at the top right. And we'll just scroll down until we get to under audience and visibility, this profile and tagging. Let's tap on that. Now the key here is we're going to set everything from friends or whatever it previously was set to only me. So at the very top, who can post to your profile? Let's switch that to only me. Who can see what others post? Hit the see all and only me. Under tagging, this one's important. Who can see posts that you're tagged in, including photos? Let's switch it from friends. Hit see all and choose only me. Now I'm going to go through this entire list and do all that stuff. And now at the very bottom, you want to make sure the reviewing is turned on, because if anyone tags you in a post, you want to be able to review it before it is published and live with you being tagged in that photo. So going through all of these, you've set all of them to private. Essentially, only me means only you will be able to see them. No one else will be able to see them. But you can verify that they are private just by going back again, tapping on see your profile at the very top, and then tapping on those three dots towards the right. Now you can hit this view as, and essentially will show you what your public profile looks like. At the very bottom, it says the content on your profile is public. And you can see on here, there really isn't anything on here. There are no photos, there are no posts. It just has my profile picture and my cover photo, which essentially you cannot make private. Those have to be public if you have an account, basically. But you can see those photos are public, but everything else is private. All of my albums, all of my posts, everything is private. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.